This video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be all photos for the exception of this little intro. We're here at a waterfall in the campground that we're staying in, so this is just a little bit of a walk from our campground. And what I'm trying to do here is get this waterfall from something other than just standing in front of it and taking a picture. That's what everybody gets. But to get those shots that you really like, that'll impress your family and friends, you have to get creative a little bit. Get down, get high, hold the camera down against the rocks, against the dirt, the water, whatever. Find foreground objects, just try different things. So that's what I did. I walked all the way around here, and I'm going to show you a collection of those photos coming up right now. And that's going to be it for this video. So for the rest of this video, enjoy the photos. Let me know what you think in the comments below. That's it. I hope you enjoyed those photos. Coming up next, I'm going to record another video about how to blur water without using a tripod. That's in the next photo video. Photo video. I think that works. Photo video? Yeah. All right, cool.
Photography video?
Yes. A photo how-to. This one really wasn't a how-to, but
it's like little
it was somewhat.
Tips.
It was
Photo tips.
Photo tips videos. Let's go with that.